So today we're out here in Cary, North Carolina. We'll be doing a house wash. We'll be washing this deck. It's pretty dirty. Just doing a walkthrough, making sure. Gotta cover these. Just gotta make sure you cover those. Just documenting. It was already there. Yeah. And also a roof cleaning. And of course the driveway, we'll be cleaning this as well. Need a good cleaning. We'll have some amazing results. The walkway, steps. We're gonna blow off that roof here. Let's see what we got on this side. Not too bad. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Soft washing this roof, 5%. All done. Looking clean. Oh, it looks great.